Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a case with Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Opening a case with Salesforce allows you to get assistance with technical issues, report bugs, request product information, or even get help with the Salesforce features. Once you are logged into your account, the easiest way for you to open a support case is through the Help and Support portal, which is located on the question mark here on the upper right corner. All right? You see? Click on the Get Support. You will be directed to an external URL. Click on confirm and you would be forwarded here. And of course, just follow the on-screen instructions. All you have to do is provide the information. For example, this is going to be here. Click on agree, click on next. And from here, just follow all the information that is prompted. While waiting, if you have screenshots or error logs or other supporting files, this is the perfect time for you to compile so you can attach them later to help the Salesforce support better understand the issue. And you would be here, have an option to create a case. All right, click on this option right here. You would be forwarded to this option. Subject is going to be, all right. And of course, here, enter the email or search by name, upload the file, and that's it, okay? It's a very straightforward process, and by following these steps, you'll be able to get help you need for any issues or questions regarding Salesforce. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.